What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're going to share what we ate on day 6 of this raw vegan challenge. Today we're going to be sharing our Island Vibes smoothie, our Chicken and Lobster Alfredo, and our raw vegan Almond Joy snack. Now, we teased our Chicken and Lobster Alfredo on our Instagram, so if you're not following us, go ahead and follow us now. And if you're new here, we are a vegan family of 8. We have 6 kids and we've been vegan for 5 years. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here and you're excited to continue this raw vegan challenge, go ahead and hit that like button. Now, our comment of the day actually goes to Veg News, who voted us as one of 10 black creators to follow. So thanks again to Veg News, and thanks to everyone who tagged them and told them to feature us. We really appreciate it.
Yay!
Now, anything that you see in these videos were actually covered in this video right here, which is our haul video that we did before we even started the Raw Vegan Challenge. You can also find that video in our Raw Vegan Challenge 2020 playlist, so be sure to check that out, also to see our past Raw Vegan days. And also, if you guys are doing this Raw Vegan Challenge with us, let us know in the comment section how you feel.
Yeah, it's day 6 now and we feel pretty great.
Feel pretty good, man.
But we want to know how you guys are feeling,
Exactly.
and we're excited about getting into the next week. And we actually have a few changes we plan to make for the next week coming up. So we wanted to know how you guys felt, and yeah, so let us know in the comment section below.
Now, before we get into what we ate, we wanted to talk about 2 things that we weren't prepared for on this Raw Vegan Challenge. Now, don't worry, they're actually very good things. The first thing being our kids loving these raw meals.
I just tried some of this rasta pasta and it's amazing. It tastes like it was cooked or something. Tastes amazing, guys. Check out the video. Try this out.
Best pasta dish. Yeah, I need more.
We were not expecting to have to make our raw meals, regular meals for the kids, and then our raw meals for the kids. This is crazy.
Yeah, it's been pretty awesome, and the way we approach this journey is the way we approach a lot of things. We just do what we feel is right. We never force our kids to do any one particular thing, and we just kind of lead by example, and watching them at every meal kind of saunter into the kitchen like, what's that, you know? It's been a really rewarding and exciting experience.
Yeah, and we don't really force them to do anything, so if they see us doing something and they're excited to do it,
and they see us having fun doing it too,
you know, that's always going to be a great thing.
Yeah,
it's just a nice reminder that kids are always watching, and we just want to be great examples for them, because there's a lot of craziness going on in the world right now, and we just want to know that we are being good examples for them.
Yeah. And I feel like the world is gonna constantly have their opinion about who you are and what they think your capabilities are.
Yes, absolutely.
And you just have to focus on yourself and your family and your community, and just being a good example to the people around you.
Yes, absolutely.
And yeah, so it's been really exciting to know that even though we technically have like 2 teenagers already now,
our kids
almost
are getting big, y'all.
to know that we still have that, you know, really strong impact on them really matters a lot.
Absolutely.
Also, the second thing is just knowing that within this community that we're growing here,
all of y'all have given us hope, because you guys came in and said, I never thought about going raw vegan until you guys started doing it, and you guys inspired me, and we really appreciate that.
Yeah. That means a lot to us too, because we never thought about going fully raw vegan, like for an extended period of time.
We didn't at all.
Like
we definitely considered it, and we wanted to do it.
We just didn't think it could be this fun.
Exactly.
But we have to remember, it's us, and we're always about making things as like easy and keeping things light. And people always ask us about being parents and like how we have 6 kids and we're doing YouTube and we're homeschooling. We've homeschooled them their whole lives and stuff. But we just keep things light. We try not to overload ourselves, you know? And so it's been nice getting to maintain who we are while doing something as like intimidating as going raw.
Exactly.
And it means a lot to us that you guys appreciate our approach.
Y'all keep these comments coming, man. It's keeping us going, and it just keeps everything happy, fun, and light, you know?
Yeah, and Father's Day is coming up too. It's just, this is a really good time in our lives right now. So
Yes.
thank you for being a part of it, is what we're really trying to say.
Absolutely, and we're glad that we are able to inspire you guys because you guys inspire us.
Definitely, definitely.
All right, so let's get into what we ate. So for breakfast, we had some watermelon and our green juice. And for our snack, we had our almond joy. Now, as we said before, Chris came up with this recipe when we ran out of our Go Raw bars, which is super easy. So let's go ahead and roll that footage.
All right, so you want to get about, let's say like 4 of these. It's just quick and easy. Gonna cut it open. You want to take a little bit of almond butter and stuff it inside. Oh, stuff it inside. You can also just dip these in them.
Oh, I don't like messy hands.
Yeah. Prima donna over here. Then you just, you know,
Let's sprinkle that thing on there.
you just sprinkle it on all of them like that, and that's it.
Guys, so simple, but so effective.
And if you have raw cacao, you can add, I'm gonna put the recipe on the screen.
Some raw cacao powder.
Yes, if you have some raw cacao powder and you add a little bit of agave to it and a little bit of almond butter, you then dip it in it and it's that final kick. We have regular cocoa powder, but it is not raw.
Yeah.
So I would not recommend using that if you're trying to be really super
If
strict.
you're trying to be super strict, because they do roast the cacao to make it cocoa, get actual cacao powder. Go ahead and taste it. Mmm. Oh man, Joyce got nuts.
No.
Mounds them be good.
No.
Sometimes you feel like a, sometimes you don't.
No.
No. And for lunch, we had our big salad, but we also had it with our Island Vibes Tropical Smoothie.
Mm.
Now, as you guys know, that big salad is pretty filling, so for a snack, we just had some strawberries and some ice water. We also had to save some room for dinner, which was that chicken and lobster Alfredo.
Guys, we are so stuffed. Whew. I literally, one of our favorite subscribers, Trini Vegan, when we shared it on Instagram, she reacted to the Insta story and I was like, I'm so stuffed.
Yeah.
Like, that's all I could say.
So good, guys. You gotta try this.
Yes.
Let's roll to that footage. Alright guys, so for the lobster and chicken Alfredo today, I just have some hearts of palm seasoned here with some olive oil, some kelp, some garlic, onion granules, and 21 seasoning salute. So yeah, it's just been marinating for a couple hours. Alright, got some seasoned chicken here to go with the lobster. And now let me get the noodles together and we got a plate, baby. Also, for the side, we got a little side salad, which is just avocado, sunflower seeds, tomatoes, onions, and some olive oil kissed kale. Baby kale. Oh yeah. right, guys, that was it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.
If you forget to like, don't forget to comment. And if you forget to comment, don't forget to like. And if you forget to do both of those, don't forget to at least subscribe. And if you forget to do all of those, you gotta share.
You gotta share. You gotta at least tell somebody that you know considering going vegan, or they're already vegan and they're considering going raw vegan.
Yeah.
We got something for everybody, y'all.
One of our recent subscribers actually said, to be honest, I like keeping y'all to myself. I really wanted to keep y'all to myself. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, Jackie. Don't do that, Jackie.
Don't do that, Jackie.
Share.
Share the wealth. There's enough of us for everyone.
There's plenty to go around.
Share to the millions. Guys, as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk.
Yeah.
Drink your almond milk.
Yeah. The sexy one. Oh, we're going circular with it today. We're going circular and backward. Okay.